there's a chill in the air.
That can only mean one thing. The Ice Queen Aya has arrived in Fooville.
How will she get to her queendom? When she arrives, what will she find? Maybe she'll run into a snowstorm, or perhaps she'll encounter a glitch or two along the way. The journey is all up to you. To get started, all you have to do is print out the figures linked in your email, pop them onto sticks, and show us your coolest puppet skills.
Use the handy story creation guide to map out your story.
Then blast us your Ice Queen puppet videos via Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram with the hashtag IceQueenContest. You can also send in your entry via email to info@codespark.com. 3 shivering shutterbugs will receive the grand prize: CodeSpark Academy stickers, a glitch plush, and a t-shirt.
This is snow time to freeze up.
So start the Ice Queen's Chili Quest today. Contest ends April 7th. Winners will be announced April 15th.